Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to open up and do a little initial review on this Quantum Pocket Worklight from Harbor Freight. You can see the item number 63935. This thing's only $4.99. Just so cheap. They don't have a coupon right now that's available, at least the time that I'm recording this, but you can use a 20% off coupon. Actually, until June 7th, there's a 25% off coupon you could use. So you can basically get this thing for $4, which absolute steal. And if you remember, I've done videos in the past on the Braun Slim Bar Light from Harbor Freight, and also the Quantum Tactical Light with the Ultra Zoom feature, which is just a sliding collar. But I thought we'd take a look at the packaging, see what all it says about this. It does take, it says somewhere, like 2 AA batteries, or I'll see it somewhere. But it takes batteries instead of being rechargeable, and I think they really dropped the ball on this. And the thing is, with all these lights, Harbor Freight doesn't have a design team that's actually engineering all this stuff. They're finding some Chinese factory, or maybe a Taiwanese factory, whatever, to produce these things, that's already producing these things, and they're just buying a bunch of them. And I think it's interesting that they went from the Braun brand name in this to Quantum for these lights. And I don't know if somewhere down the line they just decided they were going with a different brand name or what happened there. But the Braun has a micro USB charge port, which is super nice. Makes it really easy with the lithium-ion battery inside there. But both the tactical light here and this pocket light use batteries that you're just going to have to constantly be buying new ones or use some rechargeables. I actually have this thing called a Mighty Charger that recharges disposable batteries. It doesn't work 100%, but it works 75% of the time, and that beats the hell out of throwing the batteries in a landfill or something. So I'll link to that down below if anyone's interested. But here's the Quantum. It says 215 lumens, 55.9 foot range. It didn't quite stretch the 56. They thought about, should we put 56 foot range? And they said, no one's going to believe that shit. Let's put 55.9 because at least that's believable. And then up to 3 hours and 30 minutes of runtime, which is probably a stretch. I doubt it. Has the magnetic base, says wide area beam, and then 2-in-1 function with the high-low. It also has the clip, because obviously they call it a pocket light. And I love this marketing. They should have done this on all the packaging. Warning, very bright. Do not look directly at the LEDs. That's perfect marketing. But the power button's on top here. We'll open it here in a second. Wide area pocket clip. You can see the clip there. It even has a little hole to, I guess, nail it to a wall or something. Aluminum barrel, magnetic base, on-off, high-efficiency cob LED. And let's see, anything interesting up there? Nothing we didn't already know about. Oh, there. Takes 3 AA batteries. So make sure you have those on hand. Right now, Harbor Freight does have a coupon that is free rebates, or free rebates. Jesus Christ, I'm getting Menards and Harbor Freight and everything mixed up. They have batteries that have a free coupon. So, as I take a chink out of mine with a razor knife already. Huh, that didn't last long. Good thing it's only $4. So, got a nice metal box. Man, you can actually feel that too. Look at what I just did there. Oh, I'm going to have to return it. 90-day warranty. Nah, we'll just leave it alone. Just pick at it a little bit. Get it under your fingernail. Let's see if the magnet works. Got a ball jar lid. Magnet works, although it can't hold the weight of the light. Not on a ball jar anyways. Well, son of a bitch. It'll hold it straight up. I got to find something else and see if it'll hold it sideways or not. I swear, you can never find something made out of steel when you need it. Everything all of a sudden is made out of plastic or aluminum. But here we go. So it does a little bit better on the thermos. See, at least it's strong enough to hold itself up, which is really probably the most important thing. Get the on-off button up here. It's pretty bright. The brightness difference in here. Maybe it's about the same. It's really hard to tell on camera. There we go. Low. Man, plays goofy with the camera, huh? I'm sure there's a special word for what effect that is that it does, but anyway. And I would imagine batteries go down here. Oh man, they're even using their Thunderbolt batteries. So you got the 3 AA's hide in there. We got our pocket clip, which I think it would look really stupid in your pocket. You'd feel like a goofball because this thing is 7.5 inches long or thereabouts. Oh, by the way, this is another thing I got to link down below. I found a tape measure. I haven't bought it yet, but I plan on it on Amazon, and it reads the opposite direction. So instead of it being like this, it reads like this. Fantastic. For all you right-handed people, you'd probably really appreciate it. For me, my camera's shutter button is on the right side, so for eBay I try and take pictures of things, and the tape measure has to be held in the right hand, and I got to hit the camera button with my right hand, and I don't know about you, but I only have one right hand, so it doesn't work. Anyways. So there you go, guys. There's your little quantum pocket flashlight. It's pretty neat. For if you're going to pick it up for $4 or $5, you really can't beat that price. You even get 3 free batteries. Come on, what more could you ask for? But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Make sure to check out my website, struggleville.net. Have all the Harbor Freight coupons over there. The 20% off coupons. Right now, a 25% off coupon. All the free item coupons. There are any item coupons available. They'll be on the website. For instance, this little catalog right here. All the coupons on here. On the website, you can type in the item number of any item into the search bar on the website. Pulls up the coupon if it's available. We also have the Android app. Just go to the Google Play Store, search for Struggleville. You will find the app, has all the coupons on there also. Thanks for watching, guys.